Don't have stress. Do meditation, do yoga, do pranayam. Have a natural diet, which I told you. I'm sure my friends who are seeing me today will not have cancer.
So it's 1 year of cancer and आपने काफ़ी रिसर्च की होगी क्या खाना चाहिए, क्या पीना चाहिए, क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए. Any lifestyle changes which you would like to tell us?
Pooja, see, I was perfectly a normal woman and I suddenly got cancer. So I studied a lot कि मुझे क्यों हुआ when I was a fit woman. So cancer happens when suddenly one cell of your body decides to become a rogue. Everything changes, multiple nuclei, the cytoplasm changes, the cell lining changes. So first, one cell decides not to divide the way God tells you. He says, I have my own way. Once he does that, he gets nice neovascularization. Vessels come and say, chal, chal. Once it starts growing, that's a progression that it starts invading in the organs. So the liver cell is supposed to function like this. One cancer cell divides, I'm not going to function like this, alters, it gets neovascularization, progression, and then invasion. And it goes invaded in bile canal, in gallbladder cells, liver cells, and then it becomes symptomatic. When you get symptoms, you get something tumor, like you have a big tumor coming here, you get a big tumor suddenly coming here, you get a tumor coming here, and you get suddenly some blood changes and all, then you decide, you feel that there's something change. But why it is so? One is known as a genetic predisposition. जिनके फैमिली में, जैसे कि पापा की फैमिली में सबको जेनाइटो यूरिनरी ट्रैक्ट कैंसर है, सबको प्रोस्टेट कैंसर है, ब्लैडर कैंसर है, किडनी कैंसर है. Every uncle has died of cancer. My family, there was no one in 4th generation cancer, but still I got, who was perfectly healthy. I studied why. It's one of the thing is lifestyle, because, and second is a stress. Now I realized that from the day 1984 when we started the first hospital, so settling every studies of the house, looking after parents, looking after the house. As a mother of the house, I had to, your studies, your going up, Vaibhav, Akshay, everyone. You became good doctors, then you're settling. And for your settling, every child I must have given time. Except for Vaibhav, I could not give time. But both of you I gave time. You can imagine 5:30 you get up in the morning, घर का breakfast करो, 6:45 दौड़ो, वहाँ जाना, go to Valsad station, take a train, go to Surat, get down, come in rickshaw or your car, come to your house, make some breakfast for you, make love to your babies, come back, work, and at 5:45 I'll hold my sari and run and catch that Shatabdi. 14 years. Isn't it without stress? It's full of stress. And that stress mutated my genes. That's what my study tells me. And my gene got mutated, DNA got altered, and I got this liver cancer. Number 4 is your vices. When you're under stress, you smoke, you drink. Boys, I never did that. I didn't do any vices, but you smoke, you don't sleep on time, you drink, and alcoholism and tobacco. These are the vices which add to your cancer. They are also predisposing factors. And 4th is a diet. Pooja, I'll tell you one thing. Whatever cancer we have is 9 times lesser than USA. In USA, the cancer is 9 times more than India. Why? What did they eat? Full fine sugar in everything. Cakes and pastries and cakes and pastries. Second, they ate full maida, fine flour. That gives absolute energy to cancer cells. And then omega-6 fatty acids, which comes from our tail, ghee. Even you say margarine, you say butter, Pooja, it contains omega-6 fatty acid and they give neovascularization. Vessels develop again. Our diet is much better. We have rice, but we have now fine rice. पहले कैसे था ना, रेड राइस था, अनपॉलिश्ड राइस था. तभी कैंसर नहीं होते थे हमारे डैडी हमारे फैमिली में, अनलेस इट इज़ जेनेटिकली। अदरवाइज हमारे दादा दादी 80 साल जिए, किसी को कैंसर नहीं हो गया। मेरे पापा 84, मेरी मम्मी 87, नहीं हो गया। क्यों? ब्राउन राइस खाते थे। सो वी ईट पॉलिश्ड राइस। पॉलिश्ड राइस गिव्स यू फाइन शुगर and that gives you cancer. Now this is about how cancer comes. After reading so much, I came to the conclusion that after doing so many chemos, 7-8 chemos and PET scan did not change, I started taking Ayurvedic. Ayurvedic, I read in somewhere there was a nano gold, nano silver therapy. I started taking nanotherapy. Second, I started taking Tibetan medicines. People go, those who are in the 3rd stage, 4th stage, they go to McLeodganj and they take Tibetan medicines. Tibetan people, they take pulse, and according to their weak pulse, strong pulse or something, which tells them this is cancer, this is inflammation, this is not. And they check the urine. These are the 2 things only they do. And 400, 500 people in the queue every night there in McLeodganj for taking their medicines. Of course, nothing has changed. It does not cure, but they talk about seed and soil. Their therapy is we will cure the soil. But only thing is, with taking Ayurvedic and Tibetan, my response to chemo was better. The side effects of chemos I could tolerate after taking these medicines. Last week I asked my staff, we have a cancer board and all, people taking chemotherapy. कितने लोग कीमो 25 तक गए? मैडम कोई नहीं गया, आप ही गई हो।
बाकी सब 16 पे,
बाकी उड़ गए, आधे उड़ गए, आधे से छोड़ दिया। बिकॉज पूजा, पीपल डोंट हैव मनी। नो, कीमोथेरेपी रिक्वायर्स मनी। 3 महीने की कीमो का 1 लाख रुपया, वो बंदा जो 4000 कमाता है, हाउ कैन यू अफोर्ड? अच्छा है कि माँ कार्ड है अपने पास, माँ अमृतम योजना है, अपना कैंसर हॉस्पिटल है। अक्षय इज़ वेरी वेरी पैशनेट। वी हैव अ मेडिकल फाउंडेशन, हम लोग देते हैं, तो थोड़ा बहुत लोगों को, यहाँ के लोगों को उसका फ़ायदा होता है। लेकिन किसी भी फैमिली में अगर कैंसर आया तो फैमिली टोटली ज़ीरो हो जाती है। पैसा ही नहीं है तो दे लीव द ट्रीटमेंट इन बिटवीन एंड देन दे डोंट टेक द फाइनल ट्रीटमेंट एंड दे डाई। दोज पीपल, मुंह को और इसको भी खाना नहीं मिल रहा है। घर में 4 बच्चे हैं, बाप को मुंह का कैंसर हो गया है। मुंह का कैंसर हो गया है तो ऑपरेट करना है, प्राइवेट में करो। कोकिला बेन तो 4 लाख बोलेगा, चलो अपने हॉस्पिटल में बोले तो भी 1.5 लाख बोलेगा, अमृतम में बोला तो भी। वो होने के बाद फॉलो, उसको फीडिंग करना, ये करना, वो करना, उसको क्लीन करना, गंदी होती है। कितने लोग एजुकेटेड है तो उसका मुंह क्लीन करे, उसको ठीक करे, उसको बराबर रेडिएशन दे, उसके बाद रेडिएशन के लिए ले जाना है। इमेजिन रेडिएशन सेंटर तुम्हारा सूरत में है, सिलवास का पेशेंट को कैंसर है, उसको रोज़ रेडिएशन के लिए नली बिली डाल के उसको ट्रेन में जाना है। सिलवास से वापस स्टेशन आने में उसको 40 मिनट लगे, वापस स्टेशन में खड़ा रहे, 3rd क्लास कंपार्टमेंट में चढ़े, वो जाए सूरत, सूरत से वापस रिक्शा करके जाए, 20 मिनट का लाइट लेके वापस आए। कितने लोग कर सकते रोज? नो वन, नो वन, नो वन। इफ आई वॉज इन दैट प्लेस आई वुड से मरी जाऊं ते सारो यार, आऊ नथी जोई। सो दैट इज व्हाट कैंसर इज। कैंसर रिक्वायर्स लॉट्स ऑफ मनी, then cancer requires your mental strength. I am a strong woman because I am educated. I am a strong woman because I was always physically fit. I was a strong woman because I have got a rich family around me and all children taking care of me. That is why I could fight it out mentally. All the people, middle class, low class, who do not have money to fight, radiation के लिए नहीं है, कीमो के लिए नहीं है, ऑपरेशन के लिए नहीं है, they lose their battle right in the first month only. Now with chemo and all, you have to prepare your body for that. You have to prepare your mind. I started doing meditation. 1 hour of meditation every day. And that gave me Shakti. I used to do Devi Anushthan. I used to do Zapa. I used to do Anushthan. I used to do Devi Kavach Puja. I used to do Mahamrutyunjay Zap. And I used to feel that, nahi, gods are there. They will not allow me to die. After that, I used to do 20 minutes of pranayam. That's very much important. When taking breath inside, and every time when I take breath inside, I say, I am taking life inside me. This is what I was telling in my mind and doing that 20 minutes of pranayam that gives me strength, that made my lungs also. So in corona also, in spite of taking chemo, I never got corona because of this exercise. Third, I used to do yoga. At least 20 minutes of yoga. Every part of the body I was moving. See, now I am in 5 places I am having secondaries. But I am sitting nicely, talking, I am seeing patients, I am swimming. This is because of the yoga which I did from years. 10 years I have been doing yoga. That Patanjali fellow had come, no? So from there I learned it and I have been doing it for years. And that is why my body is quite capable of adapting to my disease. See, I was always a runner, so running was not a problem. But when I developed secondaries, daddy used to be afraid. Don't run. So I started walking. So minimum 3 kilometers I used to walk in 35-38 minutes. But 30 minutes of walk or swimming. These things I added from the day I got cancer. I was doing meditation off and on. I was doing yoga every day, running, etc. But then I added this. So I changed my lifestyle like this. After that I used to take bath. And with naturopathy fellow used to tell me, आपको तो गोमूत्र पीना है. गोमूत्र पीना में इससे तो होता ही नहीं था. So he told me, you apply गोमूत्र here. You apply गाय का fresh छान on your liver and sleep in sun. I did it for 2 months. I did वो जो भी मेरा कैंसर निकाले, चल ले ले, तू भी ले ले, तेरा हाथ साफ कर ले. I did that also, Pooja. Can you imagine? Mummy, so educated, I used to put my mask double, and then I learned to tolerate the smell of छान because मेरे servants used to tell me, मैडम हमारे गांव में तो छान लगा के ही सब ठीक करते हैं, हम बचपन से कर रहे हैं. मैं अरे ये लोग कर रहे हैं तो मैं क्यों नहीं? I tolerated that also. I did everything. Then I went on naturopathy. Naturopathy, I read these books. So I was telling about the diet. Now what is my diet? Now I stopped taking fine sugars completely. So I didn't take rice, I don't take chapati. But low glycemic जो होता है, that is ज्वारी, बाजरी, नागली, I take instead of roti and rice. बहुत राइस खाने की इच्छा हो गई तो मिलेट्स है, ओट्स है, बार्ली है, उसमें मैं पकाती हूँ. मिलेट्स एंड ब्राउन राइस स्पेशली मिल जाता है Amazon.com पे. सो आई बहुत इच्छा हो गई तो आई लिटिल बिट ऑफ ब्राउन राइस और मिलेट्स और बार्ली, क्विनोआ करके कुछ होता है वो क्विनोआ, हाँ वो उसको मेरे को बोलने को भी नहीं आता है, क्विनोआ. और ये these are my lunch types, you know. Then there are few things which is very, very important for people who do not want cancer. If a woman takes 3 times green tea, they will not develop breast cancer. सबने शुरू करना है. And if a man takes 5 times green tea, he will not develop prostate cancer. अपने देश में maximum breast cancer है और prostate cancer है. Second thing, this is the one which kills the cancer cells straight away. So I am doing that. Even though I am a पक्की South Indian और पक्की coffee वाली, I have stopped it and taking green tea. भले मुझे पसंद होना, but green tea कैसे करने का? गर्म पानी में डालने का and 10 minutes you keep. So everything goes in and then you drink it within 1 hour. That is a rule. Number 2, omega-3 fatty acid tablets मिलती है, Amazon.com से आ जाती है. CoQ and omega-3 fatty acids, these are the direct killers of cancer cells. So omega-6 बढ़ गया और omega-3 कम हो गया, कैंसर आना है. omega-3 बढ़ गया, omega-6 कम हो गया, कैंसर नहीं आना है. तो I take 1 tablet of omega-3 fatty acid and CoQ because CoQ makes your every cell. That is why I am so cute. कहाँ मेरे चेहरे पे तुमको दिखता है कुछ भी कैंसर का इफेक्ट? कहाँ कौन बोलेगा कि 26 कीमो लिए? Then I take folic acid because all cancer drugs are antifolic. So I take folic acid, I take B12, I take calcium because of my back. So this is what I am taking as a nutrition diet. And then in diet, मैंने बोला ना, I don't take any fine sugar. So I left taking any white bread. White bread अभी 6-7 महीने से हाथ ही नहीं लगाया, ये पढ़ने के बाद में. So no white bread. If at all, I take wheat bread, brown bread, और best is multigrain. Everyone is upset with me कि इतना मस्त बनाया है मम्मी, पानी पूरी बनाए. No fried things. पानीपुरी, भेलपुरी, नथिंग, शेव, काही नहीं. I was a चटोरी यार. I used to sit and eat दबा के. And I totally stopped it and I fixed my नहीं मुझे कैंसर से लड़ना है, मैंने नहीं खाना. Because after 26 chemos I know that my this is not controlled. It's little more. And that's why now these things will help me mentally and physically. And then other foods which are anti-cancer foods are broccoli. These are superfoods. Broccoli is excellent. Mushrooms, excellent anti-cancer. You have broccoli and mushroom, so I have broccoli soup, etc. Daddy makes mushroom nicely. उसमें oregano सब डालते हैं ना. They are anti-cancer. Why Indians get lesser? Because all our masale. In our masale, the onion, the garlic, adrak, आणि कच्चा हल्दी, it contains curcumin. These are anti-cancer. Similarly, Asian, the oregano and all those things, basil वगैरह जो होते हैं ना, they are anti-cancer things. So cook everything in that. So and use oil because everything contains omega-6 fatty acid. I started using only that. कौन सा oil वो पूजा? Olive oil. No rice also, no. I was such a, we are Maharashtrian, so वरण आणि भात with limbu और घी डाल के, वरण भात limbu और घी दबा के खाती थी. Ultimately cancer is chronic inflammation as well. So you have lime and you have all these masalas. So have that we cut that कच्चा हल्दी and कच्चा अदरक, limbu लगा के, काली मिरी, these are the anti-cancer. So all these things I've started eating. And the same thing when I go to Mussoorie, I went to Mussoorie, I called the chef first and said, I'm a cancer patient on chemo. These are the things which I want. Can you give me? He said, madam, today evening I'll get everything. Puja, everywhere, even in Rishikesh hotels and Mussoorie hotels, the chefs came and provided me my food. Basically, even though day before yesterday I took my 3 days chemo, today I'll be going and working and I'll be swimming in the evening and I'll be eating this food only. And I think if you started before getting cancer, I think अपने देश में कैंसर किसी को नहीं होना. अर्ली डिटेक्शन इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट, चेकिंग इट इम्पॉर्टेंट, ब्लड चेक करना इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है, रेगुलर चेकिंग करना, पैप टेस्ट करना है, सोनोग्राफी करना है, मामोग्राफी करना है, डॉक्टर का बस चेक करना है, ब्लड टेस्ट करना है, ल्यूकीमिया उसमें डायग्नोसिस हो जाते हैं. इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो एंटी कैंसर वे ऑफ लाइफ इज स्ट्रेसलेस लाइफ. डोंट हैव स्ट्रेस, डू मेडिटेशन, डू योगा, do pranayam, have a natural diet which I told you. If you take these things, I'm sure my friends who are seeing me today will not have cancer. Or if you get cancer, you can fight it.